Welcome to Revion Autos. Today we're sharing a very special story sent to us by one of our subscribers. Some things aren't just possessions, they are memories. This Ferrari 326 GTS belonged to his father. Every scratch, every mark tells the story of him. And now it sits here, waiting, silent, untouched, waiting to be brought back to life. He still remembers the days when it shone like the sun, its engine roaring proudly, and his father's smile brighter than any car. When his father passed, this beauty was left behind. A quiet reminder of laughter, journeys, and love. Today on, we help bring it back, not just as a car, but as a memory. A legacy preserved forever. Every scratch tells a story. Every rust spot holds a memory. We polish it slowly, carefully, bringing back the shine, the leather, the chrome, the wheels. Each detail honoring the father's life and the memories shared. We carefully restore every part of this Ferrari, as if each step is a tribute. A way to feel closer to the one who loved it most. The leather, the metal, the paint, all coming back to life. Every detail telling a story of love, care, and memory. And now, it shines again. The red gleams in the sunlight, the interior restored to perfection. A son's love, a father's memory, alive once more. Every curve, every line, a reminder of what was, and what will always remain in the heart. This car is no longer just metal and paint. It's a piece of home, a piece of a story. It will sit here as a reminder that memories never fade, and a father's legacy never truly leaves us. A big thank you to our subscriber for sharing this beautiful story with us. Your memories inspire everyone here at Revion Autos. And to all of you watching, remember, some treasures aren't measured in money, but in love, memories, and the bonds we hold forever.